Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. Today I am starting a new series in continuation with the earlier Wealth Creators series. This series I am naming Wealth Creators Emerging Giants. If you remember, I had 5 episodes on wealth creators where I picked up excellent stocks from large cap space. Those stocks are giant in Indian stock market. So their gains will be good, but it will not be really a multi-bagger like 30%, 40%, 50%. So when you want to construct your portfolio and want to have a little more return compared to large cap, the way of doing is you start investing in mid cap. Obviously, mid cap offers more more return as well as more risk. So depending on risk profile, one can choose a mix of large cap and mid cap and then create a portfolio. So I think, so if a person who is in early age can have more stocks from maybe mid cap, if he is able to take little risk, and a person like me or which are around 50 or 50 plus, they can have little more stable portfolio, which is more large caps and lesser mid caps. So in that light, I thought let us create another series which I am naming as Wealth Creators Emerging Giant series, and today I am recording the first video in that series. So as usual, I'll talk to you two stocks which has got huge potential for future, and I do have both stocks in my portfolio. Friends, before I proceed, I like to reiterate, investing in stock is risky, and before investing, do consult your investment advisor or do your own research. The purpose of this video is purely educational. So the first stock for today is Fine Organic Industries. Fine Organic is engaged in manufacturers, processors, suppliers, distributors, dealers, importers of wide range of oleochemical based additives used in variety of industries like foods, plastics, cosmetics, coatings and other specialty products. They have a leadership position in India. This is the largest manufacturer of oleochemical based additives in our country. So let's look at some of their numbers. If you look at the ROC is that 38.8% and ROE is 30.7%. Dividend it is 0.14 and debt to equity is almost 0.06, close to 0. Let us look at their price performance. So when I do a maximum price chart, just look at it is just upward trending slope. This is one of the best slope I can see in any company, and the company has given, if you look at the P ratio, obviously it is little higher than the median P for maximum time, and if you look at in 5 years time frame, it is same way, it is little higher than the median P. So it's not very expensive, but certainly it is higher than the median, so some amount of expensiveness is there. When you look at the profit and loss account of this company, in 2016 onwards, this company there, so in 6 years, it has multiplied 3 times in terms of revenue, and in terms of net profit, in 3 years, 6 years, it has multiplied 8 or 3 times. When you look at their other numbers, other growth numbers, sales have been growing at the rate of 19% for 5 years, 21% for 3 years, and 81% in this current year after COVID lockdown has been removed. And profit growth is similarly 27 and 24%, and TTM current year is about 200% profit growth. And 3 years stock CAGR is 64%, and last 1 year is 119%. So in my opinion, this is a really emerging giant, and everyone should have in their portfolio. So friends, do a proper research before you invest, and then take a call for investing in this particular stock. But I find it very interesting, and I do have this stock in my portfolio. As I mentioned to you, when you look at if you go with the 200 days moving average pattern, rarely this stock touches that, but at times it does. But even buying this stock and 50 days moving average may be a good thing. So today it is little, you may like to wait for some correction, and when it comes closer to 50-day moving average, you may safely invest in this stock. The second stock for today which I am talking is Solar Industries. Now this is the world's leading manufacturer of bulk explosive, packaged explosive and related systems, which is primarily used in industries. This company also has gone into defense field. So they do supply a lot of ammunition stuff to defense. And as you know, defense is growing rapidly. And I think India is going to have under Made in India program and a very significant position in defense for defense export. So from that perspective also, this company appears very, very interesting. When you look at the return number, ROC is 25.4 and ROE is 25.3. Fantastic. Dividend paying company, about 0.22% dividend yield, and debt to equity is very low, 0.46. When you look at the price performance of this company and look at the price for 10 years period, see, it is just taken off. It is just going up and up and up only. When you look at the P ratio, like when you want to find out, it is little expensive than the median. When you look at the 5 years time frame, it is certainly expensive. So you have to wait for some time by the time it corrects, and then we can certainly take this stock. Look at the performance, quarter on quarter performance. The bar chart shows the quarterly profit. So it is just going up and up. EPS it shows, so it is just going up and up. So friends, this stock offers a great opportunity to be a candidate for your portfolio. I do have this stock in my portfolio too. So if you like this video, please like the video, do a like on the YouTube channel, and also make your comment, put your comment. Your comment will go a long way in terms of creating new videos. Also, don't forget taking this video in your group, because my goal is that whatever little I have learned in my life, although I have done a lot of mistakes, I must bring it to the youngsters who can act on that at early part of their life, and they can have immense benefit coming out of this knowledge. So please do circulate this video using WhatsApp groups, put it in your different groups, your Facebook, and also LinkedIn. And you can influence, you can ask your friends and relatives to join this channel and look for good videos. Thank you very much for your time and stay engaged.